fastest way to make money online.
So I'm gonna tell you how I get clients.
About to go pray Fajr, going to the mosque. Yes, sir. Just finished Fajr and now I gotta sleep. Let's see if we do some runs. Morning guys, just woke up and I'm getting ready for the day, checking out this nice view, and first thing first, of course, is brushing my teeth to keep that hygiene strong. After that, it's time for a morning run, and GBR, the Jumeirah, is the perfect place for it. It's such a vibe here, super cool to run, you know what I mean. Now let's talk breakfast. Man, it was amazing. Like the food was slapping and the whole vibe here is just incredible. Seeing all your support guys on my last videos means so much to me, and it shows you the love this kind of content gets, so I'm going to keep going, keep coming, and make sure to smash that subscribe button.
So here am I, guys. After praying Fajr, sleeping, going to a morning run, an amazing morning run, man. The best morning run that I had, man. You see other people run, you see fit people. I don't know. It's just the vibes are so awesome. You see the buildings, you feel like you have to run. It's just motivating. And ate amazing breakfast, went to the pool, and here am I. I'm about to go pray in 1 hour and a half, Juma, to the mosque, and yeah, I have to do some work as well, and today what I'm gonna do is something interesting for you, because a lot of you guys asked me about how do you get clients, what's your outreach method, what's this and that. Well, I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna tell you like a brief thing, and then if you guys are interested, just let me know in the comments and I'll make a detailed video about just that. Let's go straight there. Okay guys, so I'm gonna tell you how I get clients. Okay, for example, this month I'm gonna be honest with you, I haven't got any lead. Okay, last month I did, the month before I did, but this month in particular I didn't get any lead, and it was because I wasn't marketing myself. So what I'm doing is using my personal brand and building my personal brand to get clients. That means that you're not gonna necessarily get clients straight away, but it's compounding. It's like building up. It's building up. And now what I'm doing is just building my portfolio. Okay, I made money from clients, but I'm just focusing on building my portfolio, and that's what I was talking about with my friend, my client as well. That building your portfolio is just the most important thing that you can do in the beginning, and focus less about the money, because while building your personal brand, the client acquisition will be slower, but much more rewardful. And if you put your energy 100% into it, it's better than outreach. I think outreach is kind of a short-term thing, but if you're someone that doesn't have an urgency, if you're young, if you have a job or stuff like that, man, just don't do outreach. I just recommend you to build your personal brand. That's what I'm doing. That's why a lot of you guys relate to me. I know a lot of people. I've talked with you, a lot of you guys in a one-on-one calls, and you guys like me because of who I am. And other clients as well. Like I've had clients that told me, the reason I wanted to call with you, one, you make powerful landing pages, but two, is because of how you put yourself out there. So the personal brand is the best thing. And if you guys want videos about personal branding, just let me know and I'll help you.
For me, religion is the most important thing in my life. That's why I highlight it a lot in my videos, and it's a crucial aspect of who I am, how I live, and this is my personal brand. So I post whatever I want. I post my core values and the things that make me strong, no matter what other people say. So religion, specifically Islam, is what keeps me grounded and strong and have this kind of discipline. Yes, sir.
Okay, Juma prayer is done. Now I have to do some work now. Actually, I have to spend like 3-4 hours where I'm just working, just doing the deep work, of like focused work, get everything done, marketing, the mobile app, like freelance job I have, and just do some design. I'm done with the client kind of side. I'm just testing, like seeing like if there is something broken, but otherwise all good. And yeah, man, it's about this. and let's do it. Let's focus now. Let's do the homework. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I am buzzing. I am buzzing, guys. Incredible. Yeah.
So I headed to Abu Dhabi as well, a place I lived for 4 years before moving back to Spain. It's super amazing to go back and connect with old friends, and I enjoyed the time.
Say hi.
What's up YouTube? Today we're going to Real Mall and then we potentially can go to escape room after. If I have a if I have a discount yeah. Don't discount.
A few days later, again, I returned to Abu Dhabi to visit this amazing mosque again. And the architecture here is incredibly, insanely beautiful. As my friend said, it's almost like a tourist museum because there is also tourists everywhere, and it's just kind of breathtaking and amazing. It was amazing.
Back in Spain, back home, back in Barcelona. So now, just the grind, man. Home gym, home gym, home gym. That's it. Let's go.